Hey friend, I wanted to show you how easy it can be to start your day. And so I thought about what's the simplest thing I can show you. And that would be a 10-minute Tai Chi Qigong and warm up morning flow. Think about getting your water, your coffee, your tea, going into your space and starting your day this way. 10 minutes, that's all it's going to take to release tension, move some stagnation energy wise that you may be feeling, and then actually charge yourself up so that you're 10 minutes later completely ready to take on the day, actually physically, mentally, emotionally feeling balanced, clarity, confident, all the things that Tai Chi and Qigong will give to you. So we're probably already a minute in. Let's get to these 10 minutes. Good morning. It is wonderful to be with you. Let's just take about 10 minutes to warm up and do some Tai Chi and Qigong. So stand with your feet shoulder width apart and just take up some space. Unlock the parts of your body. Make little adjustments so that you can open up inside. Take a deep breath. Start circling your head around in a very small circle, kind of like a bobblehead. Something gentle and slow as you go in the other direction now. Relax and slow things down. We'll make our way down the body towards the shoulders. Just shrug up and back in a circle. Trying not to grind, just soften. And then we'll go forward as well. Be soft and loose. We'll move into a bit of a swing. Turn the waist, which turns the arms. Keep the knees forward. Let go of your thoughts. Gently twist to the front corners. And then we'll add a little bit of weight shifting, pouring some weight into each leg just a bit as you swing the arms and turn the waist. Be aware of your feet pushing from the ground, activating the knees a little bit. Gently come to a stop and we'll move down into the hips. Just circle your hips horizontally, slow and gentle. Don't push through any pain. You can make the circle small. And then you'll go in the other direction, just getting the energy moving in this lower part of your body. We'll move on down to the knees, feet together, hands on the thighs for a couple of knee rotations. Don't bend too far. Just take it easy in both directions. Good. Just a few is fine. And then we'll step and face the corner, putting weight in the back leg, and we'll just trace the front leg down and up, stretching that hamstring. You can exhale on the way down and then inhale on the way up. You can take it nice and slow so the knees can support you. And we'll try the other side, face the front corner and stretch your hamstring and open your lower back. Keep your knees bent. Excellent. And now we'll loosen up the ankles. Just put the weight into one foot and one foot behind you as you rotate the ankle inward, and then you'll do it outward. And then you'll switch feet. Find your balance, circle out, and then circle in and loosen up the ankle. And then lastly, we'll just start shaking out the hands, and you can bounce a little bit, bounce the shoulders and knees, and you can even turn the waist a bit and just find what else needs to be shaken loose wherever your pain is. Let it out. Just go gently. Well, you're starting to feel loose, definitely warmed up. Standing shoulder width apart, We'll go into the first of the 8 brocades Qigong, clasping our hands, bringing it up, turning them out and up. As you look up and stretch, look forward and stretch further, then open to the sides. Sinking down a bit with a straight back, we repeat. And this movement is going to get the Qi going through all of your organs, harmonizing them. So take a big inhale all the way up through your organs, and then connect upwards and exhale. We'll move into brocade number 3 as you raise your hands and you lift your left hand and push down the right hand, and then turn the palm to face down and just let it float down. You sink down, both hands face up, you start separating them, right hand up, left hand down. Have energy pressing in both directions as you turn that palm and let it float down. This exercise is excellent for on the left side, releasing your worry as you open up the left side of the ribs and the spleen. Take an inhale and then release it through the palm. And now you'll raise the right hand. You'll open the ribs on the right side with a big inhale and exhale, releasing all of the anger, stress, and frustration through the palms. And sink down and then raise the hands up to shoulder height, pull back at an angle and push down again. This is Tai Chi's opening form. It's a rising and a falling and a circle going out away from your body and back towards your body as you keep the shoulders low and the elbows unlocked. Bring the Qi up from the earth and back towards your body and back down. Very grounding as you inhale up and exhale down. Stay down in the stance. Lift your left hand forward, right hand out towards your ear, and then pull the left hand in and push the right hand forward. Left hand goes out, right hand flips up. Push and pull. Turn the waist a little bit without moving any weight or your knees. Just push and pull through the center. Inhale and then exhale. Tai Chi's repulse monkey, having yin and yang in the same movement as you learn to turn the waist and gently engage your core. Next, for Tai Chi's cloud hand, step out to a wider stance called a horse stance and scoop your left hand across your body. Right hand faces in, shift the weight into your left leg, switch the hands at the corner and shift to the other side. Switch at the corner and shift. One hand is always high, one is low. You bring it across the front. You shift the weight and turn the waist. You'll inhale to one side and then exhale to the other, balancing the left and right sides, the upper and lower halves. Excellent for the heart, the lungs, and digestion. Be soft in your shoulders and float like a cloud across the sky. And you can lower that top hand, step back, and then step your left foot out to face the front corner and push and pull back as your front toe raises. It's like you're rocking with the feet as the heel comes up, and you're basically making a sine wave, the shape of a U or a wave. Inhale on the way back, up to shoulder height. Exhale on the way out. Channel water as you release everything on your heart. Send anything out towards the horizon. And then you'll step back and you'll step the right foot out to the front right corner. You will push and undulate the wave, inhaling, then exhaling. Be like water. Be fluid and soft. Receive and then release. Feel the power and strength of softness and fluidity, of slowness and being fully coordinated. And now you'll step that right foot back to shoulder width and just gather all of the fresh energy around you and hold it somewhere in front of your chest, relaxing your shoulders and elbows. Feel like an expansive ball, like you're hugging. Feel free to make any adjustments to release tension and just look off into the distance, into the stillness, and find tranquility. Perhaps you can feel that sensation in your hands. Return it to your lower abdomen, one hand over the other. Place your mind there as well and store this energy to boost your immune system, give you long-lasting energy, and have you feel clear and balanced. Have a great day. So how was that for you? I just want you to take note of how you feel. How is your mental clarity and calm? How about your physical self? Do you feel less pain, less stiff? And energetically, do you feel just like you have the energy to go on with your day with maybe a little bit more confidence? That's what this stuff does. So good on you. And if you are ready for live weekly classes, that's what I have now available in my community. And we're there every week, a couple different times. And I also have all of my courses available for a very low monthly price, under $20. We can get together and have some fun each week and build on these things. And the energy of being together is definitely a lot more motivational than just going at it alone. So check the links below for that. Last thing is to note, these things build upon themselves. So it's all about today, but it's also about the next time and the next time. And that's when you really see changes in your body, in your mental health. So just keep at it. It doesn't take a lot, as you've seen. It just takes somewhat consistency. So keep going, keep being soft, and keep having a play with it.